just feels super long, dude.
All right, the moment that we've all been waiting for. Jerry got his WezTeck Clipper. This is in real time. Jerry's between clients right now, and he's about to do the unboxing, and then he's about to do the first reaction haircut with the new WezTeck Clippers.
All right. Well, I already opened just this one, not the box. I was too excited.
How many days you been waiting, Jerry?
I don't know. So when was it? Thursday?
Like at least 4 days, huh? Thursday?
4 days. All right, but the cool thing I thought they did was, look at, sheesh, handwritten letter.
Nice, just the little things. So there it is.
Cool. I was expecting like a bigger box.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, from the pictures and everything I've seen online.
So they're really good at packaging, or there ain't gonna be much in it.
So here's just a little, I want to say this is like the clicks and the millimeters that it leaves it at, and it's gonna be compared to what guard it is. Let's see, is this just extra? What is in here? And just the little features that it comes with, and then is the clipper. It's a lot slimmer than I thought it was gonna be, first of all.
It's like the fat blade, huh?
Yeah, but this thing's...
I saw the blade looks like the flat one, like on the Jerry.
Yeah, oh yeah, it is zero gapped. Not all the way, I probably have to mess with it a little bit.
First impressions, Jerry. The look of it. Feels alright.
It feels pretty good. They need to come out with a charging stand. This doesn't come with a charging stand. It'll be more of a plug and charge.
Oh, this is kind of... One thing that already I could tell is tight, super tight.
Yeah, if you're not used to like the whole thing, well then...
Are you gonna loosen it up or what?
No, I'm fine. So this is what this compared to the Fat Master.
Is it pretty tight too?
No, it loosens up over time.
Oh, but it came pretty tight?
Yeah.
Oh, it's pretty tight though. Like tighter than regular, you know?
So I don't know if it's a complete tool. Let me see. It's cool. So far grabbing it, I thought it was gonna be a lot thicker and a lot shorter. So, whoa.
So, you know, one thing that I could say that you're probably gonna have to get used to is like, you know, on a regular one, you don't have to even look. You're just doing this.
Yeah.
And you're cutting, like now you're gonna have to kind of be like,
So let's see, I wanna see how thick this one is really.
Pause.
So I'm measuring from the tooth straight. So it is like a 6-ish, 6 point something millimeters.
so what would that be?
Yeah, that's a 2. Yeah, 6 millimeters is a 2. But then what is the mass? Wait, this is extra. Dang, I didn't even know. I've never measured this the first time. It does it 1.6 millimeters thicker.
From your modified clip?
Yeah, from the modified and these Fat Master. I can't make this one zero gap like that one, so it's a trade-off.
You can't?
No. This one can't. It'll go up to 7.5-ish, 6-ish millimeters, but you can't zero gap this one.
What are your initial
First
thoughts?
impression,
Right in time, the generator.
I know. I don't know, I like it.
Yeah. We'll see how it cuts.
¿Qué onda, güey?
Camera shy.
My name is Jeff.
Yeah, Jerry's still drinking that. 8 o'clock.
I'm gonna make it zero gap though, because
You're gonna zero gap it right now?
yeah, I don't think it's close enough.
What is that guard right there? That 2-4. It's a guard?
It goes up to a 4.
Well, because of how much this thing opens.
Yeah, to a 2, no?
Let me see if you could make it any. Oh yeah, it does have
So
play.
2 when it's closed, and then a 4 when it's open.
It does have play, so that's good. I think that's pretty good right there. My biggest thing that before I even use it, I hope these teeth look like they're gonna go in people's pores. But we'll see. Damn it, I didn't get it right. Oh well. I think that's pretty good. Let's see. I'm worried. But
I like the sound.
everybody likes that. I hate that sound.
That's how I know I'm cutting.
I know I'm cutting it if I'm cutting it, or what number I started with.
Just my rough ass hair. It only sounds like acid warrior.
And some acid warrior hair, some good. See if it's gonna go through.
That's pretty loud, dude. I don't know if it's just his hair or
It's my hair, dude. I got that horse coat.
It's pretty close, so we're thinking this. And we're gonna use just this haircut, this clipper, just with his whole hair. And reach out to the one of the guy that calls me. You see how they sharpen, like if it's just a flat grind or it's a hollow grind. So you get a 3 on top, right?
Yes, sir.
So what's a 3 on here? Where do I have to put it? I'm guessing a 1.
Yeah, put it to the 1 position on the lever and put the 2 with the guard on.
True 2, longest lever open. I'm guessing it doesn't say. I'm guessing that's what it is.
I would think because closed is closed, and then you put that
That's
on,
it.
it goes to a 2, right? So when you open it to 1 on
No,
that,
but that's the
it should be
thing.
3.
This is a 2.
Yeah,
But if you add plastic, it's no longer a 2.
yeah, I know. That's why. And then what's closed?
Enclosure should be a 3.
This will be a 2.
That's
But
what I'm
now
like.
it's a 2, and to put it to the 1.
To the 1 should
that'll
be a 3.
Yeah.
1 plus 2 is 3.
We're gonna find out.
We'll find out anyway.
Oh, I'm gonna put, this is technically a 3, and then I'll run a 3 over it with my wall, see what happens.
Oh shit, that looks like a 1. Just kidding.
I don't know.
It's fine.
We'll see how long. I'm more worried about how long the blade stays sharp, but we'll see.
How's it cutting right now?
Good?
Took the worst test on me.
Alright, so this is supposed to be a 3 on the WezTeck Clipper. I'm gonna put out a 3 on my wall, see what happens. Alright. It's a tiny bit shorter.
What, the Wezteck?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a little tiny, nothing, but close enough. Yeah, pretty close. So far, so good.
What the f you doing that for, man? Hey, what's your problem, man? You f***ing stupid or what?
Carlos in the house. The mandilon. But my sister's gonna call you right now. Wow. Yeah, she's gonna look at your calendar and be like, it says here you don't have nobody anymore. What are you doing at the shop? This guy. Close? And then, I don't know where the open guard is on this, so. I'll figure it out right now. I wanna go half of half. This should be open on a wall. I mean, I think I could see how it could help you with speed once you get used to it, because I gotta go half. This is like the master's open, the fat blade.
What is that right there?
I got 1.5.
That's what it says on the thing.
Mm-hmm. That's pretty good. It just feels super long, dude.
That's what she said.
So she said.
You get double fist.
You got it.
Yeah.
Got it, bro.
Y cabeza libre, güey.
Again, real quick.
Thumbnail.
The way he just
Thumbnail.
says it, look at that.
Can you twist your hands a little? There you go.
You're gonna get demonetized before you even get him. Your wife's over there. She's acting gay again. And then this is all the way open. So a 2. So it's pretty close, like from a 3 to a 2, and yeah, it's pretty good.
Gonna be your main clipper now, Jerry, or what?
I think it is.
You don't think it is, or you think it is?
No, I think it is. Yeah, I'll probably buy another one.
Damn.
I'm leaving the corded clippers.
You're leaving the corded clippers behind? Damn, Wezteck made Jerry leave the corded behind? That's a moment in history right there. How's the power on it?
Good. They're getting warm though.
Does it feel warm on your head?
No. Yeah, I think that these are worth it. For sure.
It must be good if Jerry's gonna leave the corded clippers behind.
I mean, the only other thing I could see someone talking bad about this is just the lever, that it's so like long, you know?
Yeah.
Maybe in the future, if they want to try to make them a little bit like a mini version, like the Babyliss Pro ones, you know how they come out like smaller now?
Yeah.
But not bad.
Not bad for the
First clipper of, yeah. My first haircut with this, like I left it a little too dark right there, but I was afraid that it was gonna go into the pores, but it's not. You know what I'm talking about when you go in? No, not bad, not bad. And the one thing I could see about this sanitation wise is like you spraying this is like you cleaning your half, your 1, your 1.5, and your 2 all in one. So that's good. And then again, cleaning cleaning the guard would be like cleaning your 2, your 3, and your 4 in just one. Not bad.
A lot of cleaning.
Not bad.
Damn, Jerry's impressed. I hear the impressed in his voice.
Not bad, not bad, not bad.
I've never heard that tone in his voice.
I know, I'm always talking shit.
Who is this guy?
I just gotta see how long it lasts, the clipper. And Christmas and New Year's coming up, so we'll put these to the test with 2 of these. The other one charging, and use this one until this one dies, and then grab your other one.
That's the only thing sucks is they don't have a standing.
You guys need a stand for sure, WezTeck. Dude, we should have done a 2 today just for the video, so we shouldn't need no guards.
No guard.
Yeah,
It's your fault.
it's my fault. My bad.
I wonder if they have like a 5, 6, 7, 8 guard.
Right?
Oh no, yeah, dude, this for sure, you guys. 100%. They got it down with this one. Now, the next thing is just see if how long the clipper lasts.
Link in the bio. Huh? Is it on Amazon?
Yeah, but we might get some for sale. So I'm gonna call him right now. I think I'm gonna place the order.
Promo code Jerry.
Promo code Yeti.
No, we are for sure. Fruit. Can we line up with it?
Ooh.
I feel weird, but let's see. It's probably the first video of someone lining up with the Wezteck. Seriously.
It goes a huge chunk of his skin.
It goes back. It's okay.
Technically, you could once you get the
Yeah,
razor.
once you get used to it. Not bad, not bad.
Jerry said not bad about 15 times already, bro. He really likes it. Thumbs up. Usually he's like, same shit.
Yeah, this is not the same as all the other clippers for sure. No oil, Wezteck. Oh, this is gonna be hella crazy once I do clip over comb. It's gonna look crazy. This is gonna put in the guide, put another one, put in one, and clip over comb everything.
Jerry's about to look like Edward Scissorhands over here.
No, yeah, it's worth it. It's worth it. Even at a regular price, I think it is worth it. In the 21 years, I've always thought all clippers that I've used were the same. I'm gonna call him right now.
You're calling right now?
Yeah. Sorry, I barely got to the clipper. I've been a little busy and stuff. Oh no, I'm over here in California. Yeah, I'm still chopping it up, so. Good, I like it a lot.
I like you a lot.
Yeah, I like a lot. Even the guy, right now I'm here with 2 of the guys in the shop, and they're surprised that I'm saying the clippers. I've been cutting hair for 21 years, so I think they're really, really good.
Oh man, I love to hear that. I'm glad that you're, especially because you're like a master barber too. You know, you've been in the game for 2 decades. So hearing it from you as a veteran is it's like the best feeling ever, man. Honestly, like I love when I hear from barbers that have a ton of experience.
Mm-hmm.
So your opinion matters a lot.
No, yeah, I really liked it a lot. I'll be doing all the videos from like my tutorial videos. I'll be using this clipper now.
I mean, the only thing now we need to discuss is how can we get our product in your shop?
But why does it look so long? It doesn't. But it's not like that much. Like look, like tiny bit. You think it's slimmer?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be skinny.
Is it slimmer, huh?
Like it's thick and then it's skinny at the bottom. Girthy on top.
I think of this one's girthy.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that one's.
It showed. They do get warm though, huh?
Yeah. Well, I haven't taken the blade apart to see how much that they probably need to kick down the tension spring. A lot of these people, the tension spring que las ponen juntas las blades, they overdo it. But when they're flat, hollowed like that, you have to have a lot of pressure. But when they're hollow grind, you don't need a lot of pressure.
I'll be back for the 1 month.
Do a whole taper with this thing.
Dude, it's crazy, I'm telling you.
I didn't do much.
Going all the way up to a 2?
Is the blade hot? Oh no,
No, the blade doesn't.
I've never felt the clipper get hot like that.
It's just up here though.
Wait, do that again?
Sonríe, vergas.
Alright, Jerry, so what's the final verdict of the first impression?
9.5. 9.5. Getting too warm. They do need a dock. They definitely need to get a 6 to an 8 guard. In the future, maybe try to make it a little shorter, but nothing they can't, improve on.